Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a bookmark to a post on the Weverse application so that you will be able to find it later on and more easily. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then tap on this button down below in the left side corner of the screen. Scroll down until you find the post that you would like to save for later, and tap on this more button down below on the right side and click on bookmarks. As you can see, you have added this bookmark to this post. So if you would like to check it out, all you have to do is go to the community section. So tap on my communities, click on the community, and tap on this more button at the top, tap on bookmarks, and here you can find the posts and artists that you have bookmarked. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.